copper peptides kind of the new thing these days? And what are they?
Well, you're certainly hearing more about it than I've ever heard of. But actually, the story of copper peptides started in 1971,
Hmm.
and it's a fascinating story. Dr. Lauren Picard was actually doing a study on aging, and he was trying to determine why do people 20 years old their wounds heal quickly, and then at age 60 not so, they're very slow to heal. I mean, yeah, slow to heal. And so he did a study, and he actually applied the plasma from the cells from younger plasma into a petri dish of a liver with older plasma. And interestingly, he found that not only did they survive, but it started acting younger.
Oh,
And then he had to isolate what's going on with this plasma. And he found out that it was the protein GHK-Cu within that plasma that was making the older tissue respond as younger. I mean, and this was again 1971. So
oh
it's
my
it's
gosh.
been
50
one of the
plus
most
years. Yeah.
one of the most studied peptides. But then we learned that not only does it help with wound healing, we find that it is one of the most special peptides because it is a bioregulator peptide.
Hmm.
Many peptides, operate on one, like arginine helps with, wrinkles, deep wrinkles. Peptides do one or two things. This peptide actually goes in at the DNA level and resets genes up and down for a healthier state. I mean, it's fascinating what it can do. So that's
Wow.
yes. And that's how it actually helps you. I think Dr. Suzanne Faree, who is who I learned about this, and I love my story with her, is that it goes into the stem cells and tells them to act younger. I mean, she says it in a way that we can all understand. And
Right. And that's the way I can understand. So it goes into the cells and it tells the cells, hey,
it sends signals.
it
It
sends
sends
signals that,
signals.
hey, you're younger than you
Absolutely.
think you are.
Absolutely. And how I learned about this, I've been fortunate to have a doctor who specializes in regenerative medicine, and she was helping me with my immune system. In fact, I got through COVID better because I had peptides to help me with that.
Hmm.
And then just about maintaining muscle. I was 64, and I've always lifted weights, and I wanted to keep muscle. And there's peptides that can help you build muscle as you age. And then the day was, okay, I need to do something about the crepey skin. What have you got for crepey skin? And she said, well, I can tell you what I use. And I'm like, oh, this is going to be big. And she
Tell
said,
me.
yes.
Yeah.
And she said, GHK-Cu. And at the time, this was 6 years ago, she said, I will get it at the compound pharmacy. I'll write you a prescription. And it came in like a prescription, and it was a foam. And it wasn't a beautiful serum like we have or moisturizer, but I used it. And after 2 months, I thought, there is something different here. This is better than any of the,
Really?
Neiman Marcus and all the different, creams I've
Sure.
tried. It worked. And just to give you just a quick second about how Vitali got started, how someone at 64 started a new career, we decided it's the same thing that you and I talked about earlier. So many people did not know what a copper peptide was. They know about
Hmm.
collagen peptide, maybe.
Sure.
But and I asked my tennis friends, no one knew. So that is where my husband and I decided we've got to make this available for everyone, and you don't have to go to a compound pharmacy and
Hmm.
have a prescription. We want to make it available.
Right.
And
Who's going to go to the doctor and say, hey, I have crepey
well,
skin and I want a prescription and now I have to drive to a compounding pharmacy like that? I mean, I want better looking skin, but that's maybe a little too
it's a lot.
complicated for most of us. And honestly, it sounds a little expensive to
It
go
was
through all those
expensive.
steps. Yeah.
Well, it was very expensive. It was much more expensive than our product, and it was a foam.
Hmm.
And it wasn't a luxurious experience. But what I did learn is this little peptide worked. And
Okay.
so I've been using it for 6 years, and my skin, I will be 70 in March, and my skin is better now than it was 10 years ago.
Yeah,
So
I'm 10 years younger and your skin is so much better than mine.
your skin looks good.
Well, I've been on the Vitali train now for about probably 4 months.
Oh,
And
great.
I do feel like I'd mentioned in our kind of pre conversation, I've had 6 breast cancer surgeries. And I'm doing a lot to just try to reduce the appearance of the scars because I know scars have an impact in your
Oh,
body. It's not just, wow, that looks like that hurts, or wow, that looks like, you had a painful surgery. It actually does have an impact on your body from a lymphatic system to an energetic system. Just
absolutely.
so I have been, putting some of your product under my breast where my scars are, and they look better.
I love it.
Yeah, they look
I have
better.
heard that. I've had that feedback for so many. In fact, one of the things I just want to share is it even if it's an older scar, because that is
Hmm.
a question I get. I had someone who had, the scars from 10 years ago,
Mm.
and one of them was really deep and did not heal well. One of them healed better, and
Hmm.
she started using the serum,
Mm.
and after a couple of months, she said it just flattened out and smoothed away and looked more like the other one, and I was so happy to hear that it works on older scars. It's ideal
Yeah.
right
It's
after.
surprising because you think, well, you want to do it when it's fresh, and
Yeah,
that's what I'm hearing from the people I'm working with on scar treatment. They said, you got about 6 to 12 months to try to really make a difference in a scar, after you first get it. Older ones are so hard. So that's interesting
it was
feedback. I
very
had not
encouraging
heard
to
that.
me.
Yeah.
Absolutely.